Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your plan is active, airplane mode is off, and the phone shows signal bars. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary radio glitches. This alone resolves many slow connection cases. Next, toggle mobile data off and on to force a fresh network registration. If you're indoors, move near a window or step outside for a quick signal check. This isolates whether the issue is environmental versus account or hardware related. Now dig into network settings and basic hardware checks. You should try switching network mode between 5G, 4G, and 3G to see which gives stable throughput. Manually select your carrier if auto fails. Then power down and remove the SIM card. Clean contacts gently, reseat it, and test in another phone if available to rule out SIM or handset faults. Once you've identified the likely cause, reset network settings or install carrier updates. Make sure to finish the process by measuring performance. Run a speed test and compare upload/download numbers to your plan, document results and times. Update your phone's OS and carrier profile to get protocol fixes, then consider trying a carrier-approved signal booster or Wi-Fi calling as a workaround. If the problem persists, call customer support with your documented tests and timestamps and ask about local tower outages or throttling. If they can't help, escalate and request a ticket number for follow-up. This keeps the issue trackable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.